Hello and welcome back to another Premier Draft Beer Services training video where we bring out the best in beer. Today's video will be about fixing a foaming beer line, so let's get started. We inherited this issue when one of our brands was placed on a line that was never ours in the past. After I cleaned, I noticed that the line was pure foam, and here's some of the steps to check it out. The issue is not system-wide and is localized to one line. You've checked the keg temperature, and the keg seal is intact with no cuts or notching. Secondary regulator is set to the same pressure as the nearby beer lines and are pouring properly. Inspected keg coupler for torn or cut bottom seal, missing or unseated probe washer, check ball, or missing basket. Common to hear audible rushing of beer similar to pinching a garden hose, and I'll let you listen to that right here. And you can even see the CO2 being released from solution from the pinched line. So let's loosen this locking nut here and position the line in the right direction it should be fed. And we'll tighten up that locking nut. You can see that the person that twisted this faucet to think they were fixing it actually collapsed the beer line. They twisted it so hard. That is not the right way. You need to definitely get into there and make sure that locking nut is tight, not just by twisting the faucet. So grab some pliers or your fingers and go ahead and massage that line until you kind of reform the internal diameter of it. Make sure it's smooth. If you can't get it to be reformed, you may need to cut a small section of vinyl line and replace it. Now that I was able to go ahead and get that all together, we'll see right away that we've got clear beer. The fix is just that easy when it's done right. And you can definitely tell that the line is now straight and has lost that deformation shape of when it was previously. You can go ahead and button everything up right now. Let's get that insulation of the tower back in place, tucking it right back into the corners. We'll place the cover on and finish up. Let's grab a glass here and see how it's pouring. I mean, that's awesome. We got clear beer. We got that 1-inch collar foam. Looks perfect. Thanks so much for watching this educational resource. For more information, contact your territory supervisor.